comes off with your fingernail.
Yeah.
It's going to be hard. Oh, man, the other side is tough. And then they tell you in the book to once you break them loose, then you can put a ratchet on them. You have to break the two loose from there. Oh, yeah, right. Never break bolts loose with a ratchet. Ratchets are too expensive to do that with. Fine little teeth in a ratchet, you know, and bust them. And then you remove the disc after you had done that. Might want to clean it up with a wire brush or something. A little bit of graphite in there so it doesn't have a problem with corrosion on the two pieces there a little bit ago. So we just take care of that now. Disc from the factory and from Sweden there, but I prefer to always wipe them down with alcohol anyway. Just get anything off of there because oil and brakes don't get together. So we use alcohol and wipe it down anywhere the shoes are going to fit with pads right. And make sure that's good. The flange is nice and tight. So now your next step is to put your caliper bracket on there, and they give you new bolts with the Loctite on them already. So there you go. That's it. New bolts. Just snug them up with that, and then we'll torque them with the big wrench. There's a torque section. You gotta remember, they save your life one time, they're worth it, you know?
Yeah.
So we got a 2-foot bar on there, it's up here. Like this. Yep.
So
Yeah, yeah. And it'll snap in. Springs will hold it in. You're going to slide over, and now they go into the caliper. See, they can't go nowhere because of this bracket
the hooks,
there.
yeah.
And there's your two. This one here I gotta clean up. I don't like that. That'll cause it to hang out.
That was one that came out.
Yeah. So pull that one out too. Is that